inside. All set now, and the race is on. Lim Grand Story, Poppy's Diamond, the Mansuria, Honor Rush. Down on the inside, Profit Sharing is the early trailer. Poppy's Diamond by a length and a half, followed by Honor Rush in second. Lim Grand Story is racing in third from the outside. The Mansuria is racing in fourth by about 6 lengths. Profit Sharing passing the half-mile post. Poppy's Diamond followed now by Lim Grand Story in second. Honor Rush is dropping back in third by Drought the Mansuria. Rounding the far turn, Poppy's Diamond, Lim Grand Story getting closer in second. Honor Rush racing third, the Mansuria as they race the last 500. Poppy's Diamond, Lim Grand Story on the outside. The Mansuria as they race the final corner. Poppy's Diamond, Lim Grand Story on the outside. Two runners fighting it up for the lead. Lim Grand Story from the outside. Poppy's Diamond down on the inside. And during the last 75 meters, Lim Grand Story by about 2 lengths. And finally, the horse of Mr. Roland Lim, Lim Grand Story, Poppy's Diamond, the Mansuria, Honor Rush, and Profit Sharing to complete the arrival.